The unfortunate incident broke out on 22nd November when forest patrolling team tried to intercede a group of timber smugglers at Mukro falling under the jurisdiction of Jirikendeng police station along the interstate Assam's West Karbi Anglong-Meghalaya border. According to reports, the incident came into light when forest officials of Mukro intercepted a truck loaded with timber allegedly trying to smuggle from West Karbi Anglong to Meghalaya on 22nd of November. But villagers of Mukro and its adjoining villages armed with daggers, machetes and sticks came in huge number and surrounded the forest officials to stop them from seizing the timbers and the vehicle. Forest officials had to call Assam police for backup as the situation tends to intensify. Assam police reached the spot and tried to bring the situation in control. But the situation worsened and the villagers attacked the forest and police officials at the scene. Assam police then fired few rounds of blank fire which killed 6 people, 5 people from Meghalaya and 1 person from Assam's West Karbi Anglong district during the firing incident. 4 people died at the spot while 2 people died on their way to hospital. Deceased individuals from Meghalaya were identified as Thal Shadap, Nikhasidhar Shikthalang, Tal Nartiang and Shirup Sumen. Assam's forest guard Bijay Singh Lekhe also lost his life in the firing. It was reported that the mortal remains of the deceased individuals were taken by the police department and district administration of West Jangia Hills, Meghalaya for post-mortem. SP of West Karbi Anglong reached the spot where the incident took place. While speaking to us, informed that so far 3 people had been arrested in connection to this case. Deep inquiry would be taken and proper details will be notified once an investigation is completed. The mortal remains of Assam's forest guard Bijay Singh Lekhe would be handed over to Assam police after a formal procedure done by Meghalaya police. To maintain public peace and tranquility at the region, Meghalaya government had decided to shut down 44 hours of mobile internet service at 7 districts of Meghalaya, which includes West Jangia Hills, East Jangia Hills, West Khasi Hills, East Khasi Hills, Eastern West Khasi Hills, Southwest Khasi Hills and Riphoi districts. Conrad K. Sangma, Chief Minister of Meghalaya, appeals the citizens of both states to cooperate with the police department, find out the culprits and also maintain peace in the region.
আমাৰ যেটো ফৰেষ্ট ৰেঞ্জ অফিচাৰে প্ৰটেকশ্যন অফিচাৰে এটা খবৰ দিলে যে তেওঁলোকে এখন ইলিগেল টিম্বাৰ টুৱাৰ্ডছ মেঘালয়া ৱেষ্ট জেণ্টিয়াসকলৰ ফালে লৈ যাবলৈ গৈ আছিলে ৰখাব কোৱা নৰখনতে তেওঁলোকৰ ডিবিএল গানেৰে ফায়াৰ কৰোঁতে গাড়ীখনৰ এটা টায়াৰ পাংচাৰ হয় আৰু আপোনাৰ গাড়ীখন ৰখে তাৰপিছত কেইবাজনো মানুহ আছিলে তাৰে 3জন মানুহ তেওঁলোকে কৰায়ত্ব কৰিব পাৰিলে আৰু মোক লগত ফোনত কথা হয় তাৰপিছতে মই মাকৈলুম আউটপোষ্টলৈ লৈ আহিব দিলোঁ মাকৈলুম আউটপোষ্টত য'ত আমি আছোঁ এতিয়া ইয়াত হেণ্ডঅভাৰ কৰিলে তাৰপিছত আমাক পুলিচ এছিষ্টেঞ্চ বিচাৰিলে সেই টায়াৰত গৈ পালেগৈ কিন্তু টায়াৰ পাংচাৰ হোৱাৰ কাৰণে টায়াৰটো ফিট কৰি থাকিব পৰা নাছিল কিন্তু ইন দি মিন টাইম অলপকৈ মানুহ আহি পেলাই গেডাৰিং হ'ল ঠিক 6:30 7টামান বজালৈকে তাত মানুহ বেছিকৈ যেতিয়া গেডাৰিং হ'ল তেতিয়া ফলত খবৰ লৈ আছিলোঁ মই ৱেষ্ট জেণ্টিয়া হিলছৰ এছ পিৰ লগতো কথা পাতিছিলোঁ তাৰপিছত আমি ট্ৰাকখন এৰি থৈ পেলাই মানুহখিনি বেক কৰিবলৈ কৈছিলোঁ কিন্তু অলৰেডি 2 ফালৰ পৰা মানুহে উঠি আমাক ওপৰত এটেক কৰিলে আমাৰ পুলিচৰ মানুহৰ ওপৰত দা কটাৰি লৈ পেলাই এটেক কৰিছে ফালৰ পৰা এটা এতিয়া আমি তদন্ত কৰি ওলাব ফায়াৰিঙৰ চাউণ্ডটো শুনিছোঁ বুলি কৈছে।
News Desk Report, Karbi Anglong Live.